Welcome to another masterclass of Midjourney logo design. So guys, in this video we are gonna check some logo prompt to create some awesome business logo, elegant logo, something like a simple, elegant, modern logo, or for consultancy company logos. Masterclass, we're gonna check some logo idea design. So guys, as you can see, I have some logo ideas prompt. In this video, we are gonna check one by one and create some outstanding logo design. So let's create some letter logo. So guys, at first I'm gonna copy this one. I'm gonna go to Midjourney, just paste it. So I have added like simple letter V logos. If you need a different letter like something like A, so simple letter A logo, company, abstract, rounded, and I'm gonna add something like rounded shape, colorize, and vector type. So guys, I have just added a prompt like simple letter A logo. So I need a logo for A. Okay. So simple letter A logo, take company, abstract, rounded shape, colorize, and vector type. So I'm gonna hit enter. So guys, let's see how Midjourney will create some logo. So guys, this is the output. So just look at the logo design. I have simply added a prompt like simple letter A logo. So you can add A, B, C, D, any letter you want. So guys, just simple A letter logo for take company, abstract, rounded shape, and I have added like colorize and vector type. So guys, this is really great. So I'm gonna go for the first one. So I'm gonna hit UI. So guys, just look at the design. You can create some logo design and you can sell this type of logo design to Fiverr, Upwork. So I'm gonna save this logo to my computer. As you can see, this one is really great. This is wonderful and this is really amazing. So I'm gonna need this one. So I'm gonna go for the upscale 4. So guys, just look at the design. This is really wonderful. You can convert it to vector or any other format to sell this type of logo design in various type of marketplace like PNG Tree, like Peak, like Adobe Stock. So guys, there are a lot of options right now in 2025 to sell this type of logo design to customer and you can earn money with it. So we have just see a letter logo. Now I'm gonna create a business logo. So I'm gonna copy the second prompt and just come here and just add a slash and just paste it like I need a business logo, minimalist design, plain background, logo of the business logo, geometric shapes, cool hues. So I'm gonna add something like, so you can add your own filters to this Midjourney. So now I'm gonna hit enter. So I'm gonna hit enter. Let's see. As the previous design was great. If you need any type of letter logo, like if your company name is start with P or G, so you can create amazing letter logo from Midjourney. So let's see. Now we're gonna creating business logo. Oh my god, guys, just look at the logo design. I didn't know if I go to Fiverr or Upwork to hire a graphic designer to create this type of logo. This is wonderful. So I'm gonna go for the first one. Okay. So this is really cool. Like it's colorful. Like as you can see, I have just added a prompt like business logo, minimalist design, plain background, logo of the business logo, geometric shapes, cool hues, and I have also added a filter like colorful. The result is also colorful. So I'm gonna hit and I'm gonna save this one also. So guys, just look at the shape and the color. This is really great. So if you need any type of logo, you don't have to go to the graphic designer or any other designer. You can just get Midjourney to get some logo ideas design. So I'm gonna hit download and copy that. So there is another one. You can copy the prompt to create your own logo. Like I have just added like I need a business logo which will be minimalist design, plain background, logo of the business logo, geometric shapes. So guys, this is really wonderful. I'm gonna need this one also. Oh my god, this logo is looking really great. So if you need a media type of company logo, so you can use this type of prompt and you can add more filter to any of this prompt to create your own logo design. So guys, we are gonna get some new logo design ideas. So here is another prompt like high resolution icon of extremely simple, elegant and modern logo for consultancy company. It also added a name. So I'm gonna copy this one. I'm gonna paste it to the Midjourney. Okay, so I'm gonna add some changes like high resolution icon of extreme simple and Okay, there is two simple. I'm gonna need one simple. Okay, elegant and modern logo for consulting company. So here you can add your company name. So I'm gonna add my YouTube channel name like Learning, RNING, Learning Design. So I have added my YouTube channel name as optional. So in the area of software development, so I'm gonna add like area of design and learning process enhancement looking similar to Instagram, LinkedIn, Telegram, conveying term software. Okay, I'm gonna add like category which you are working right now. So I need a YouTube channel logo like high resolution icon of extreme simple, elegant and modern logo for a YouTube channel. Okay, like YouTube channel. So I'm gonna create a YouTube channel logo for my YouTube channel. Learning design in the area of design, learning post and enchantment looking similar in Instagram, LinkedIn, Telegram. Let's see how this will work and how Midjourney will create us some logo on this one. So I'm gonna hit enter. So let's see. So the previous logo design is just awesome, guys. You can get ideas, you can convert this into PNG vector, you can sell this type of logo to many marketplace and you can earn money. I have just told Midjourney like high resolution icon of extreme simple elegant model logo of YouTube channel learning design, which is my YouTube channel in the area of design learning process. So this is the output. So if you need a simple type YouTube channel logo design, then you can go for Midjourney to create your design. Like this is really simple type of logo design. You can see I have added my YouTube channel name like learning design, web design, UI, UX design. Okay, so you can create your own YouTube channel icon. You can get this type of design to create some icon. This is good but not best. So we are gonna need some best of the best. So I'm gonna go for the second prompt and let's see how this prompt will work. Like high resolution icon, extreme simple, elegant and modern logo for consultancy company. So I'm gonna change my logo, the name. So guys, I have just added a prompt like high resolution icon of a very simple, okay, there is two simple, elegant and modern logo for media company. So I'm gonna creating a media company. Okay, so media company in the area of web development process. Logo looks similar to high brand, round shape, brand looking and on white background name. So I'm gonna add my channel name like Learning Design. So you can add your own company name to the last. So guys, let's see how this will work on Midjourney. Guys, let's see how Midjourney will create a modern media company logo. Oh my god, it's creating. Guys, just look at the shape. So I have added a prompt like high resolution icon of a very simple, elegant and modern logo for media company and the area of web development process enchantment. Logo looks similar to high brand, round shape brand. So this is the design and this is really cool. So I really like this one. So I'm gonna go for the second version. So this is really great. I can convert it to vector to PNG. Okay, so let's see another one. So guys, you can customize the prompt and you can create your own prompt and you can add more filters. So if you need this kind of rounded shape logos, and then you can add this prompt to the Midjourney. So I'm gonna need this one also. Guys, this is really wonderful. Okay, just the shape, the color, the round format of the shape, this is really great. So now we are gonna check something different. Like I'm gonna add a prompt like I need a R logo. So I'm gonna add with this. I'm gonna go here, imagine I'm gonna paste it here. And so it says simple letter R logo tech company. Okay, I'm gonna add for tech company, make the R out of the cable extract. So I'm gonna add something more like so I need a R logo. Okay, so I need a logo where the letter R will be shown. So simple letter R logo for tech company, make the R out of the cable abstract, brand design, vector type, colorful. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter. Guys, just let's see how Midjourney will create me a R logo. So the logo form will be in the shape of R. Okay, PQRSTR. Okay, so guys, just look at the letter R logo. So I have just showed you how you will create any type of letter logo from Midjourney. This is really great. So I'm gonna need this one. Okay, I'm gonna need this one for my real YouTube channel. Guys, this is really great. You can create this type of logo, letter logo design from Midjourney. Midjourney is right now the best AI image generator, which is not completely free. You need to get the subscription to use Midjourney. The easiest way to get Midjourney, just go to Facebook and find some group of Midjourney. They are selling Midjourney account in very cheap price. So I got 1 month of subscription of Midjourney. So guys, let's back to the design. So as you can see, this one is also good, so I'm gonna go for the version 4. So this is really great, guys. Just look at the color, texture and the design of it. Okay, let's have this one. So now I'm gonna show you something different. So I need some variation of this logo. Okay, so I need some more variation of this logo. So I'm gonna go for, I need some more variation. So I'm gonna go for version 1. Okay, V1. It means I need more variation of number 1. Okay, so let's see how Midjourney will create some similar type. Guys, just look at the design. Like I have just added a simple take to V1, like version 1. So I need more variation of version. Okay, and this is the output. This is really great. So I'm gonna need also, you can add your own letter logo to the Midjourney. So this is really great. You don't need any graphic designer. Create your logo, guys. This is really great. Get the subscription of Midjourney. Now we're gonna check something new. Like I'm gonna need a minimal green water drop logo on white background. So I'm gonna copy it. So I have just added a prompt like minimal green water drops logo on white background with faint wheels. I'm gonna add it some light. So guys, I have added a prompt like minimal green water drops logo on white background with faint swirls, blue color, water drop, clean. See how Midjourney will create some logo on this prompt. So I'm gonna hit enter. How you can create some different type of logo design with some different prompt. No, I didn't add for this one. So I'm gonna customize the prompt again. So I think I have added more things. So I'm gonna add it just like this. Imagine and paste. Like simple. Just simply add like green water drops logo in white background. So this one good, but I don't like the logo design. So let's see. Here we go, guys. This is the logo design I was talking about. Like in the previous prompt, I have added more additional filter like blue color, water drop, clean, minimal. So now I have just added a simple prompt like green water drops logo in white background with faint swirls. Guys, this is really wonderful. I'm gonna need the first one. So here you can also get the option of upscale the image, like upscale subtle, like upscale creative. So I have already a software in my PC to upscale all of the image. So I don't want to use this one. So let's go, and guys, just look at the design, the shape, the water shape, the color. Wonderful, just wonderful. So I'm gonna need also like this one, also this one. So guys, you can create this type of simple water drop logo with just a simple prompt. Okay, so I'm gonna go something, look for different, like, so guys, as you can see, you can see in this masterclass, we have learned how to use Midjourney to create some awesome logo design, like some high resolution icon logo, then some media company logo, then we have created some simply letter. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can create unlimited of logo design. Thank you so much for watching this video. Use this prompt to create your awesome logo design.